and welcome to, I think, possibly the biggest movie event that the decade has ever witnessed. I have never seen this kind of exhilaration, this level of anticipation for a feature film ever. And I've been in the movies over 2.5 decades now. And it's spectacular to see Mr. Rajamouli's vision exude the way it has on celluloid. The first part created worldwide energy and stir, and the conclusion, Bahubali, the conclusion, is touted to be the most anticipated film that our cinema has ever produced. Not only is it the biggest feature film, but the energy that the first film had, the actors that emerged as iconic, and everything associated with the film has been nothing but on an extravagant and a large scale. And we feel very honored to present the film to all of you in Hindi. AA Films and Dharma Productions are so proud to present this film to all of you. We can't wait for this film to release on the 20th of April. We couldn't wait to see the trailer, but unfortunately, the trailer was already viewed early this morning because what do we call it? A technical glitch, which I was trying to sell as a hacking story because I thought it would be more exciting. But actually, it was just a glitch, and we should be honest that that's what happened. Unfortunately, this was going to be like you would have seen it for the first time, but everyone, I presume, has already seen this magnificent and absolutely marvelous piece of cinema that we're going to show you on the big screen in just a second. So I think let's have a viewing first of what I call the most extravagant, the most exceptionally mounted piece of celluloid that Indian cinema has ever witnessed. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Bahubali, the conclusion. Why did Katappa kill Bahubali is the question that I think the entire universe needs an answer for. And the answer, unfortunately, will only unveil itself on the 28th of April at definitely a theater near you. We're exceptionally honored, privileged to have the cast and the powerful men behind this powerful piece of cinema. And I'd like to invite them on stage. I think the men who put all, I think, their vision into the structuring of a film are the film's producers. And we're very honored to have both of them here. We'd love for Shobhu and Prasad to join us on stage. From Arca Media Works, ladies and gentlemen, Shobhu and Prasad. Thanks. Anil Thadani, who began the journey with me on this from AA Films. Well, the clash of the titans, like you saw, especially in the last frames of the trailer, beginning with Rana. Rana, who's been a friend and also introduced me to the magnificent world of what Indian cinema is capable of. Rana, thank you. Prabhas, the man himself. Ladies and gentlemen, Prabhas in the house. And undoubtedly, the most visionary filmmaker of our times. I'm not only proud to associate with him, I'm honored to meet him, and more than anything else, just like so many people in the world, I'm a bona fide fan. Sir, with respect in my heart, Rajamouli. We're going to open the questions, ladies and gentlemen, to the house. Questions related to, of course, what you just saw would be absolutely.
एंड प्रभास एंड राना, आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली वाले इस ट्रेलर के बारे में क्या कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने देख लिया होगा ये ट्रेलर अभी तक.
Well, they pretty much had the same thing to say, like what you all have to say. It's obviously overwhelming, and we're very, very blessed to be part of this film.
Prabhas, if you want to say something.
Yeah, my friends and family were like very, very happy. Like some people almost like got tears, and we almost saw it like now this 20th time, and me and Rana still feel getting the goosebumps, and I feel like we should thank Raj again for this film.
करण, आप अपने मास्टर टच के लिए जाने जाते हैं, तो इस फिल्म में भी कोई आपने इनपुट दिए 2 के लिए?
आपने मेरी फिल्में देखी हैं आपको लगता है कि कोई इनपुट मैंने दिया होगा इस फिल्म में? मेरी कोई जगह नहीं ना औकात है इस फिल्म में इनपुट देने लायक, बस नाम देते हैं बहुत बड़ी बात है।
करण और अनिल थडानी जी, हियर हियर
जी
हियर, करण,
हाँ जी,
हियर हियर।
यस।
ये जो फिल्म है बाहुबली, जो पहली बाहुबली थी, उसने सिंगल थिएटर्स को रिवाइव करने में बहुत बड़ी भूमिका निभाई। तो इस बार आपको क्या लगता है कि सिंगल थिएटर्स में ये फिर उससे भी ज़्यादा धमाल मचाएगी या फिर?
देखिए, आई थिंक जैसे मैंने कहा पहले ही जब मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस की फिल्म को, मुझे लगा कि हम बहुत प्राउडली कह सकते हैं कि द मोस्ट एंटिसिपेटेड फिल्म इन इंडिया टुडे इज़ अ फिल्म नॉट मेड इनहेरेंटली in the Hindi language. बहुत गर्व की बात है कि there is a piece of cinema made in our country which we are also proud of that is resonating across the country. सारे देश में जैसे धमाका समझ चुका है हमारी इस फिल्म की वजह से। तो मुझे लगता है कि चाहे वो सिंगल स्क्रीन्स हो या मल्टीप्लेक्सेस हो, इट्स अ पैन इंडिया फिल्म। और आई थिंक फुल क्रेडिट टू राजामौली सर कि उन्होंने एक पूरे हिंदुस्तान के लिए नहीं, विश्व के लिए ये फिल्म बनाई है। और जिस तरह की पेशकश है, जिस तरह की प्रेजेंटेशन है, जिस तरह की इमोशनल नैरेटिव और कहानी है, आई थिंक ये हर जगह हो, ये चाहे वो सिंगल स्क्रीन्स हो या मल्टीप्लेक्सेस हो, हर ऑडियंस के लिए बनी है फिल्म। तो रिवाइव तो हम नहीं जानते क्योंकि ऑलरेडी काफ़ी रिवाइव हो चुके हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल द वेरियस मूवीज दैट हैव बीन मेड इन द लास्ट कपल ऑफ ईयर्स। लेकिन इतना ज़रूर कह पाऊंगे दैट दिस इज हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स अ हिस्टोरिक रन एट द बॉक्स ऑफिस, दैट आई कैन अश्योर यू।
Hi Rajamouli sir, straight over here. First of all, congratulations for the trailer. So you know, in today's time, very few films manage to get a solo release, but Bahubali is not just getting a solo release, but also 2 weeks free run. So what do you have to say about that? Do you think the massive success of first part has played a big role in this?
Yeah, many things play a role in achieving that one. One, I would, as you said, is the massive success of the first part. Which people wanted to see, own the film, and they wanted to see the film. So automatically there is so much of interest around the film. So we are getting a solo release, and also it is the planning of Anilji and Karanji that we are getting that.
We had to do nothing, sir.
Release.
The first film did everything. Nobody is arriving with Bahubali.